Pro 100 Game is a Russian-based community founded by Russian entrepreneur Nikolai Zharychev. He is a Russian networker and a father of 3 kids. At his presentations, he honestly shares that for his long-term experience in multi-level marketing, he built big organizations in many projects, but every project ended up with a closure. So he was fed up with it. He just tired of losing his team, time, respect of other people, and starting it all over and over again every time. So he decided to create his own project with honest marketing plan, where people like him could just make money without any limits or fears. The project was launched on February 2nd, 2020, and by the end of April 2020, it has already reached 100,000 participants. Incredible growth. The community became international very fast, and now it is being developed in many countries of the world. So, what makes this project so special and attractive to other people? The main feature of the project is that all 100% of money that come into the project is distributed among the participants of the project. You can start this business with only $10 in your pocket, and another best part, you can pay for the platform only once in a lifetime and make unlimited profit. Also, the platform provides a product that is now in demand. The main product of the company is the service for creation of a personal online business card. You probably know about paper-printed business cards, but in the age of online technologies and online business, everyone should have an online business card, whether you are promoting network marketing business or any other business. Here are the examples of online business cards created on Pro 100 Game services. You can see the work-from-home business card, the woman who offers her trainings to learn foreign languages, the furniture store business card. You can create this kind of card for any business you have or any service you provide. You can customize the card on the website and make it at your own taste. Add your information, choose the colors, add the image, set up your contact information, and even add a video from your YouTube channel. This business card is like your own mini website on the internet. Many people are building business using the internet, and this kind of business card will help you to stand out from other online entrepreneurs, look more professional. The project also provides different services like Instagram autoresponder, Instagram account analytics, etc. All these services allow you to automate your work on Instagram. Instabloggers use similar services all the time. I used to pay for this kind of services $10 per a month until I have found Pro 100 Game. And with this platform, I got all the services only for $10 once and for a lifetime. There are no any monthly subscriptions here. You can create a very good income at this platform working from home and promoting the product and the additional income opportunity online. So, how to make money in this platform? The marketing plan of Pro 100 Game is based on the matrices. Let me show you how does the matrix work.
Matrix is a partner program that has 7 positions, the first of which is occupied by you. Each position under you brings you a profit. With each of the 2 positions on the first line, you get 5% of the income. With each of the 4 positions on the second line, you get 95% of the income. In total, your income in 390% of the cost of the matrix. How to make money and how much does the matrix cost? In our Pro 100 Game, there are 9 matrices, each of which in 2 times more expensive than the previous one. Let's assume that you activated the matrix for $10 and took the first position. You recommended the Pro 100 Game service to 2 of our friends, and they also activated their matrices for $10. They were displayed in your first line, and you promptly earned 5% for each of them. Your friends also, just like you, recommended our program for 2 or 4 friends, and they also activated the matrix for $10. You have earned 95% for each of them. You have completed all positions in the matrix and received 390% of income. What happens next? At this moment, the automatic reinvestment system is triggered and new matrix cycle is activated from your income by $10. Now, your 390% of the income is available for you again. You can open new matrix cycles an infinite number of times and earn 390% by recommending the Pro 100 Game service. We have already launched the infinite income mechanism from the first matrix, and we have as many as 9 of them. In order to get 3,090% of profit from more expensive matrices, there is an automatic upgrade system that activates more expensive matrices from your income. It's allowing you to earn more and more each time. For all partners, the matrix works the same way. For all partners, the matrix works the same way. And when our 2 invited partners fill in all their cells, they have an automatic upgrade system. Now they appear you income again. How does the overflow system works? For example, you activated the matrix and invited 4 partners. 2 partners will take the first 2 positions and the next partners will take positions in the second line. For partners in the first line, this action will called overflow, which in fact means shift. Change of position in the system is when your sponsor's partners get into your matrix and bring you revenue. Recommended the Service Pro 100 game and earn with us just right now.
So, this is how it works. I would just like to add some tips that are not mentioned in this marketing plan video. First of all, is that you can activate several matrices at the same time. There are people who want to play big and they are not interested in small amounts. Well, you can activate 9 types of matrices at the same time, but only one by one. You cannot activate $20 matrix without activation of $10 matrix. For example, you decided to start with 3 matrices at the same time, so your initial investment is $70. You create a team of 6 friends who also join with $70. They will appear in each of your matrix, so you complete 3 matrices at the same time. Your total income is $273. From this amount, $70 will be automatically deducted to open a new cycle in the same matrices. You can invite unlimited number of partners to your direct line. In fact, the more people you have personally invited, the faster you close your matrices. If you create a high-quality team, you can close your matrices and cycles several times a day. However, the minimum qualification is 2 direct partners to be able to transfer and withdraw your funds from your wallet. I want to pay attention to several points. When you invite a person, explain him how it all works and that he also needs to invite at least 2 new people to the project. If it's hard for you to explain, then just show him this video. There are people who say that they have no one to invite. Well, first of all, 2 people is not so many. And the second, $10 is not such a significant amount. Initially, 3 cups of coffee, everyone can afford it. The Pro 100 Game project is not only about making good money, but also about getting surrounded by purposeful people and to qualitatively change your life and develop together, especially now when we have a global economic crisis. We have to help each other grow, and having this kind of online business can really help your community to break through. Join us with the link under this video or ask a person who showed you this video to send you the registration link and jump on board.